the Rubik's Cube. Boom, weave. Oh! Oh! Can I borrow your blunt? Watch the king. Watch the king if I just give it away like this.
Shut up!
10 of spades. 10 of spades.
Shut up!
What?
Money.
Oh my God! What?
I'm gonna take one ball, put it here like this. The second one here, squeeze, 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 tight, 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 tight. Watch. Gone. Look. Open up. Watch the ice and the ring. Look, I'll take it like this. Boom. Linked.
What the f? Dude? What is that?
Watch the light bulb. Concentrate, concentrate, concentrate. Pour it inside the cup, like just like that. Hold, 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 hold. Gone.
What? Wait, what?
Watch the pen. I'm gonna take it like this. Watch. 1, 2, boom. Gone. Thank you so much for watching. I'm revealing the free and easy secret to my magic tricks at www.paulvu.tv. Also, make sure you follow the Magic Show page for more awesome magic videos. Peace.